Hello there, we are on a cruise ship right now. That's a view of the waterfront. There's a lot of places for if you like grilled fish, fish and chip, and chowder. This is the best place to be. We just had lunch with the grilled fish combination. is superb. It's a kind of taste that I miss. Used to eat that a lot when I live in California. Please come along with us to see what it's like touring along the bay of San Francisco.
The #1 tourist destination in America. Look around and you'll know why. I want to remind you of a few safety tips. Today's about relaxing and having fun, so please slow down, walk, don't run, or sit on the backs. When you're out on the deck, please don't lean over the boat's railing. Life jackets are located under labeled benches on the passenger decks. You're probably familiar with some of the other attractions down here at Fisherman's Wharf, but how much do you know about its past? Have you ever heard of the Barbary Coast? Well, that's what this wharf was called. Some of those saloons, an unsuspecting sailor might be served a thin, strong drink from the company of, shall we say, companionable women. Fishing pier today? If you want to try your luck while you're here, go ahead. You don't need a license. You also might see some swimmers in the water around. Have you tried to walk up or down any of those steep streets yet? Some San Francisco street is street. It's called Lombard Street and is located on Russian Hill. The Spanish established Fort Mason when they first came to this area in the mid-1700s. They held the fort until 1850 when the U.S. took it over and set up museums.